Officer Maurer, Daytona Beach Police Department. How are you guys doing? All right, so I got called here for a reason. Don't touch that. All right. Do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back. What is that? What is that?
Huh?
The white powder that just fell off of you.
No, that didn't fall off.
Oh, I just saw it on your lap when you stood up. It fell down. Don't move.
Can I drop this ladder?
Yeah, you can drop the ladder. Did you not think I was going to see that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I just got that bag.
All right, right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in law, in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you could not afford a hire lawyer, want to be appointed to represent you before any question upon your request. You understand your rights?
Yeah.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Yeah.
I just need to know if that's going to test for fentanyl. I'm asking because I don't want to be exposed to that. All right.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
You sure it is? Is it just fentanyl, or is it going to be a fentanyl mixture of like cocaine or whatever it is that you do?
I honestly am not sure.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure.
What's your normal drug of choice? Is it just fentanyl?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do you usually smoke it, or you ingest it another way? What?
Smoke it, but...
Okay. Alpha 44 Central.
44?
I'm going to have a female 1015, and can you start me a female unit, please? For 31.
Where you at?
Novawood Apartments, very back by the dumpster.
What does that mean, a female unit?
Oh, well, somebody has to come back here and search you and make sure you don't have more of that shit on you.
Okay.
All right. Have you ever been arrested before?
Yeah, well.
Yeah? Who are you? Do me a favor, can you get lost? Listen, guys. There are cameras all over the place, all right? There's a reason why I'm out here. I just don't show up out here out of nowhere, all right? We already knew what you guys were out here doing, more specifically you, right? So enough's enough. Stop coming here. Stop going to these residences. Stop coming to the apartment complexes. You know, people don't want to see this.
I used to live here.
I don't.
Pick the trash
Hold on. You said you what?
I used to live here.
So you don't live here anymore. The hell are you doing back here? It doesn't make sense, right? It doesn't make sense.
We were really just
You're right here by a dumpster with fentanyl.
We were really
all right?
just checking out the trash.
I gotcha. That's fine.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what's going
Hey, is all that your stuff as well? Do you want that to go with him? I'm just asking
Yes.
that way
Yes.
I don't have to
Yes.
take it.
No,
All right.
don't.
All right, cool. Are you from Florida?
Can I say bye to him?
Yeah, you can say bye.
Let's just have a touch. Yeah, there's nothing. I don't think there's nothing in there.
Well, let's hope.
It'll be okay. Listen, it'll be okay. It's pretty better. It's better. Be clean and everything. I mean,
Yeah.
although that's just
Go
gonna,
with you, though.
everything's gonna be fine. I promise. I'll take care. I'll make sure everything's good. I promise.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I'll look out for you. And that's not to like soap powder or some shit.
Well,
He'll let you go in a minute.
It was really... Gosh, dude.
It's only excessive. Soap powder. It's nothing. Look at it.
you can lean up against the car. All right. Don't move. Alpha 44 Central.
44.
Do we get another unit, please?
Do you have anybody that can break to start towards 44?
418, you can clear me. I'll be alright.
What happened?
Nick, can you please give me that sip of water?
Yeah, I give you some water.
I'll explain with you.
3 Alpha 4 Central.
Okay, if they arrest you, I'll make sure you have baggage in here. I'll take care of you. I'll take care of you. It's gonna be okay.
I get the address correct to my call to
It's gonna be
372
alright.
North Lincoln Street,
It's
number
gonna
12.
be alright.
37 direct.
Think about it. You get out, you fucking new life, clean, good to go.
What are you gonna do?
I'll be waiting for you. I promise. I'll get some apartment. We'll do what we were talking about. We'll get you an apartment. We'll get your daughter back.
Alpha 21 Central.
It's gonna be okay. Let's chill. Nothing.
Ma'am, what's your name? Do me a favor. Let's step back here, all right? So I can do what I got to do. Just put your back up against the car. Don't move, please.
5852, we're at the Susan.
I got you, and it's not that I don't believe you. I just don't believe anybody, okay?
21, I got 3 of my guys over there.
That was... I'm going to be honest with you. That wasn't slick at all.
3 of them. I know.
All right.
Kevin was asking if you could down. Yeah, he wasn't free at the time, so I sent 2 or 3 of my guys.
I'm not being honest with you now.
Correct. Makes my job easier and makes this whole thing easier.
We really were here to
410 on the crash here at Midway Speedway.
Right, and I'm not doubting that. I'm not saying you guys weren't here to go through the trash, but I mean, obviously there was an ulterior motive here as well. All right. The narcotics.
No, that would be stupid as hell. That was in that bag. I mean, I thought we got lucky, sure, but no, that was in that bag. I'm finding out with you.
Yeah. All right. So, meth.
What?
Yeah.
That's what it is?
Yep. See, pink, orange. Right there. It's meth. So far, it wasn't even the good. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna test for anything else, but I don't see any blue. Huh?
I'm surprised it tested for that.
I'm not.
Alpha 22.
22.
2 medical calls, both not requested, holding a missing 17-year-old and a harassment call.
Hey, Lisa, here, go get Elliot.
Cool, that's
back,
fine. Cool.
man. No, you don't. Come on. Stop. So it tested from that. I don't know if I want to tell you that, but that's what it tested for. Yeah, honey, please. I love you. I don't even know what to call. I don't even know what to call. Dave, what do I call?
Ghostbusters.
What number? Okay. Okay.
So this is Officer May right here. She's just gonna go through a couple things with you. All right, just pay attention to her and everything she has to say.
Sorry.
Anything on you that's going to prick me, poke me?
I don't even have any underwear, bro. Nothing. It's literally just a dress. It's gonna be really easy for you.
Okay. 10:15.
Oh yeah.
What does that mean?
If you are in my custody, and you are.
All right, I just got in the habit of saying it on camera anymore because
Yeah,
they
you'd be-
always
I
question
got
that in court, whether or not you're detained or.
Thank you.
Did you need another unit for?
Oh no, I was trying to. Her man was over here too, and I was dealing with 3 or 4 things at one time, so it's all good.
Okay.
Ma'am, spell your first name. 41st.
44.
Go for it, I'll be on that, man.
Basic.
Man, that sucks. You gotta have her come out here just to do that. I guess it makes sense though.
Well, it's because we got a couple complaints all at one time. We're off of 44 Central, Florida, by name, date of birth. Ma'am, do me a favor. Look, we're gonna have a seat in the car, okay? Since we're.
Cigarettes in there, huh?
I do not.
She was charged with possession of Schedule II substance and sentenced to 60 days in jail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free, and it really helps the channel grow. See you on the next one.